Ritual to attract money. Place this in a bottle and observe how it changes your life. Are you in the pursuit of money and despite many attempts you have failed to achieve? Your problems on this issue have reached today, since we bring in this video the solution to your financial problems. Many people may not believe in rituals, but it is absolutely sure that they work if you have faith in them and put your good energies on your object of desire, in this case, money, which is what we are talking about. The truth is that the rituals help our daily stress and tiredness do not affect our problems of the pocket, since these are in charge to bring what they call the good vibes to your life. So stop skepticism right now, and give it a try. Nothing to lose. In addition, we will need goodwill and positive mind about this. Ingredients: 1. 6 grains of black pepper. 2. Rice. 3. 2 green candles. 4. 2 airtight glass jars. Preparation of the ritual. 1. In a pot you must put water to boil to sterilize the jars that we mentioned before. Also the bottle cap should be sterilized. 2. When the glasses have dried perfectly for a while, you should add a handful of rice that you have previously selected and then 3 grains of black pepper. Proceed to cover them. This in each glass. 3. You should put a jar in the kitchen of your house and another in the dining room, in a clear place and in sight. 4. Once placed, place a green candle in front of them and turn it on for a few hours so that it consumes a lot of time. 5. It is very important that you do not blow out the candle by blowing it, but simply with your hands the blowing. 6. Discard the candles but keep the jars. This ritual technique is important because we are doing direct communication with something sacred. If you are a believer, we recommend that you pray to Archangel Uriel and avoid receiving visitors during this process. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.
Yeah.